Like, as soon as we said, our stories is scarier than that, I said, boom! Oh, no! Well, we gotta go. I'm going. I'm packing my stuff. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. What is up? What is down? What is left? And what is right? Hey guys, today we are reacting to a paranormal activity video. Andrew hates ghosts, but they always like attached to him. Like, listen. No, seriously, like every time it's something creepy happened in our house or any house that we've ever been in, it has something to do with this boy. Like, it's so hilarious. Oh, I might do a story time. They know not to come around me. Like, let me let y'all know now. Don't come by me. I might do a story time. Hey. I caught a ghost on camera. Like, we can do that. We can set that up. No problem. But I love it. I believe in ghosts. Me too. A lot of people don't, but I do. And this should be fun. It should be. So let's see their stuff. Is it a Chinese restaurant? I don't know. Oh, you see that? Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That ghost hungry. He in line for some food. It's just gonna... What the heck? Oh my God. He walked into it. He's gonna go in the room. It went in there. You see it? Oh no, it's right there. Right there. It's two of them. Look like. Oh, that scared me. Oh, I think this is the one at Disney World. Oh, that look like Disney. I think it is. No, Disneyland. That's long legs. Look like a person walking. Look. Just walking. No, that look like a light streaming down. Like one of those lights. No, watch it. Look like a person walking. Oh. You see the legs? See? Ciao. Ghosts like to have fun too. People spread their family member ashes at Disney sometimes. That ain't right. That thing keeps scaring me. Oh, he knows something. Oh, yeah? I wouldn't answer the door. I feel like something's gonna push you. This sounds suspect. You hear the ticking? It's like making my heart race. Fate. That was fate. That was fate. Oh. We didn't say. I don't want to listen to this. I don't want to listen to this. I want to hear it. It was just that one. It sounded like it was falling and it just... That kind of sounded like lightning. Thunder outside, probably. Or they probably put that with the video. Just make it more, you know. No. They did that. But I believe that that's real though. He's so dramatic. Shaka Zulu. Shaka Zulu. They doing it. At least it's not 1 o'clock. Our Wi-Fi automatically shuts off at 1.
Yeah. Oh my God, I feel like
them things gonna go flying. A ghost wanna cook or no?
I'm so scared right now. So scared.
What's up?
Terrified.
Ain't nothing. Something gonna pop up in front of me.
This.
They could have cropped this part out.
Did I see something more? Ah!
Oh my gosh! Look what you did.
Look what you made me do.
Oh. Oh yeah?
Oh yeah? I would have been
It's
gone.
probably the wind in there.
In the house, Julisha?
Our ghost stories is scarier than that.
Oh.
Like Uncle Bob.
You heard that? Oh no! Oh no! What was that?
Did you hear it? It was loud. Okay, please don't get it like it's trying to hurt you.
That was
me.
Julisha, I'm dead serious. What the freak is that?
Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will greatly appreciate that. And all we can advise you guys to do is be you,
Be unique.
and also
Be great. No, I'm dead.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you